Hey guys, this is Dean Odell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the Odell Group. It is St. Patrick's Day and I have got something to show you that just happened here in Orange County. Very important regulation signed by our Chief Executive Officer for Health. His name is Frank Kim. This is the emergency regulation order, which you can find on the Orange County government website. The reason I'm telling you about this is because the order from our health officer states that until March 31st, there are certain businesses that will need to be closed or be worked remotely, and there are certain businesses that are considered essential. People that provide food, hospitals, stuff like that. It's all in the order. There's about 5 pages here that you can read up on it to figure out how it affects you and your business and your life. But let me tell you how it's going to affect the real estate business. So for some of you who are in the process of selling homes and in escrow, do not worry. The lenders are going to be open. The county recorder is going to be doing electronic recordings. The escrow officer is going to be working. So the part of the transaction of where there won't be any kind of gatherings or people together is going to be in real estate offices. So agents and our staff, probably going to be working remotely, or if we have to get together for any reason, we have to maintain 6 foot differences, 6 foot distances. It's all states in here. So read up on this, make sure you know how it affects you, and just know that we're still going to get escrows closed even with all this regulation and stuff that's going on. All right? Okay, so stay safe and we will see you next week. And if we have any more updates, you'll be getting them. Thanks. Bye-bye.